Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to clear Instagram cache in iOS. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you. To clear Instagram cache on an iOS device, you can follow these steps. Open the Settings app on your device, scroll down and tap General, tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down to find the Instagram app in the list of installed apps and tap on it. You will see how much space the app uses and an option to offload app or delete app. If you want to clear the app's cache without deleting it, tap Offload app and reinstall app to re-download it. If you want to delete the app and all its data, tap Delete app, but think twice. By following these steps, you will clear the search history, which will help clear the cache on Instagram and keep your Instagram running smoothly. Cleaning the search history will remove all your previous searches on Instagram. This will free app space on your device and improve the app's performance. Another way to clear the Instagram cache is by uninstalling and reinstalling the app. However, it will also remove all your data from the app, so be careful before doing this step. Alternatively, you can log out of your Instagram account, force stop the app and restart your phone. This will also clear the cache of the Instagram app. You should be able to access your Instagram after clearing the cache, but you must sign in to the account again. And that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.